This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious fried green tomatoes. First, select firm, unripe green tomatoes, typically about 3 to 4 medium-sized ones for a good batch. You will also need about 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of fine cornmeal, and 2 large eggs. Have 1/4 cup of buttermilk or milk, plus your chosen cooking oil, such as vegetable or peanut oil, and of course, salt and freshly ground black pepper on hand. Begin by washing your green tomatoes well, then dry them completely. Next, slice each tomato into uniform rounds, aiming for a thickness of about 1/4 to 1/2 inch. Consistency is key for even cooking. Arrange these slices on a wire rack or paper towels, then sprinkle them lightly with salt. Let them rest for approximately 10 minutes. This step draws out excess moisture. Finally, gently pat each slice completely dry with additional paper towels before moving to the next stage. To create the perfect crispy coating, set up your breading station. In one shallow dish, whisk together the 2 large eggs with 1/4 cup of buttermilk until well combined. In a second dish, mix 1 cup of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. In the third dish, combine 1/2 cup of fine cornmeal with another 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Dip each tomato slice first into the seasoned flour, then into the egg wash, and finally coat it thoroughly in the cornmeal mixture. Heat approximately 1 inch of your chosen cooking oil in a large, heavy-bottomed skillet over medium-high heat. An ideal temperature is around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You can test this by dropping a small pinch of flour into the oil. It should sizzle immediately. Carefully place the breaded tomato slices into the hot oil, working in small batches to prevent overcrowding the pan. Fry each side for 2 to 3 minutes until they are beautifully golden brown and delightfully crisp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.